My name's Genie, 13, from Adelaide. Well, I don't even know why I'm telling you this again. I mean, I've told so many people, I've told this 1,000 times, but no one seems to listen to what I have to say. I mean, really listen to what I have to say. It started when I was 6. The court took me away from my mum because she was trying to protect me, and gave me to my dad, who to me was a complete stranger at the time. I'd never met him before. So I started living with him, and his oldest son, Gary, would have sex with me when I was 6. I don't remember much, but I never got to see Mum by myself. I mean, there was always someone there with us. He used to hit me a lot, and yell a lot. But I mean, when he wasn't doing that, I mean, he was all right. He was my dad. I mean, I didn't have anyone else. When I was living with Dad, I tried to kill myself, and then I ran away. And I still haven't been allowed to live with my mum. I can't help thinking what it would have been like if I was allowed to live with my mum. I mean, how can I not? I'm 13 now, and I can't see much of a future, all because of the choice of some people who didn't even care about me or what happened to me, but just to resolve another case file appointment. I mean, frankly, I just think they wanted their paycheck, but I guess that's the way things go.
I'm Natasha and I live in New South Wales. My mum left my dad when I was 1. Me and my brothers had to see him about 3 or 4 times a week until I was 7. And every time we went to see him, he beat me with belts. And there was a lot of yelling. My dad took my mum to court over 200 times when I was seeing him. But it wasn't just the family court, it was the law court, it was the criminal court, it was any court, anywhere where he thought that he was going to be listened to. One instance, my cat scratched me on the arm, and my dad then took my mum to court saying that she was abusing me. But really, all along, it was him. And I also remember one time when I was really sick and my mum had to go to court, but she stayed to look after me. And then the police car came and took her away. I try not to remember much, but there was this one instance where I went to exchange to my father, and I just couldn't go. I really didn't want to go, and so I just ran home and called the police. I don't want to go there, but my mum got blamed by the court, saying that she convinced me not to go to punish my father. No one ever listened to me. Out of all those 200 court cases, I was never allowed to go. I was never allowed to speak there. My dad died when I was 7 of liver cancer. I was sad, but I was more extremely glad for my mum that he couldn't punish her anymore. My mum doesn't sleep anymore. She has counselling and she goes and talks to people, but it's not the same. To go through more than 200 court cases just to protect your own children, it's unbelievable. I can't believe she went all through that just to have me and just to protect me.
In the silence of injustice, innocent she screams. In the silence of injustice, innocent she screams. Mommy, please don't make me go to Daddy's house. Come and get me in daylight before the lights go out. Mommy, I can tell you I don't want you to die. I love you, never leave me. Don't tell Dad I cried.